Ever been handed a money order and thought, okay, now what? How do you actually turn this piece of paper into real cash in your pocket? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to cash a money order, where to do it, what you need to bring, and even the mistakes that could cost you money. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to cash a money order fast, safely, and with the lowest fees. Step 1. Before you run off to cash your money order, make sure it's legit. Look at the amount, the sender's name, and confirm it hasn't been altered. If anything looks suspicious, like smudges, missing watermarks, or the numbers don't match, don't try to cash it. Fake money orders are a real thing, and you don't want to get stuck with one. Step 2. Decide where to cash a money order. This is probably the #1 question people search for online. Where can I cash a money order near me? You've got a few options. Your bank or credit union. If you already have an account, this is usually the easiest and cheapest way. Most banks will let you deposit or cash a money order just like a regular check. Sometimes they'll hold the funds for a day or two, but usually it's smooth. The post office. If your money order is a USPS money order, the post office is a great choice. They'll cash it for you, often with little to no fee. Retail stores like Walmart. Yep, places like Walmart actually cash money orders. If you search cashing a money order at Walmart, you'll see it's a super popular option because it's quick and affordable. Check cashing stores. These will cash almost anything, but beware, the fees can be pretty steep compared to a bank or post office. Before we dive deeper, quick reminder. If you find value in videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss tips on getting emergency cash, money-saving hacks, and smart financial advice when you need it most. Step 3. Bring the right documents. To cash a money order, you'll need a valid photo ID. That means a driver's license, state ID, or passport. No ID, no cash. Some places are stricter than others, but if your name on the money order doesn't match your ID exactly, you might have problems. And don't forget, do not sign the back of the money order until you're in front of the teller or cashier. That's your endorsement, and signing too early could open the door for fraud if the paper gets lost. Step 4. Decide if you want to cash the money order or deposit it. If you just need the cash right away, hand it over and they'll give you the money minus any fees. But if you've got a bank account, sometimes depositing it is smarter. That way the money goes straight into your account, safe and secure. People also ask, can I mobile deposit a money order? The answer is sometimes. Some banks' mobile apps accept money orders, but many don't. Always double-check with your bank before trying. Now, what if you don't even have a bank account? Don't worry, you can still cash a money order. This is another hot search: how to cash a money order without a bank account. In that case, Walmart, the post office, or check cashing services are your best bets. Just know, the fees might be higher, so compare before you choose. Step 5. Watch out for fees and limits. Most banks won't charge their account holders to cash a money order. The post office usually won't charge either if it's a USPS money order. But retail stores and check cashing spots almost always charge, sometimes a flat fee, sometimes a percentage. For example, Walmart charges a small fee, usually under $5, but check cashing stores might take way more. Also, most money orders have limits, usually maxing out at around $1,000. If you get one that's bigger, it was probably broken up into multiple money orders. You'll need to cash or deposit them separately. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your receipt from the sender. That stub has tracking info, and if your money order gets lost or stolen, it's the only way to track or replace it. And never, ever endorse a blank money order or hand it over without knowing the source. Scams involving fake money orders are still common, especially in online marketplaces. So let's recap real quick. To cash a money order, check it's real, decide where to cash it, bring your ID, and choose between cashing or depositing. If you don't have a bank account, you've still got options like Walmart or the post office. Just be mindful of the fees. That's how you cash a money order step by step, safely, quickly, and with no surprises. If this video helped you out, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more straight-to-the-point money tips, and drop a comment below. Have you ever cashed a money order before, and where did you do it? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.